Hey guys, welcome again. In the last video, we have understand creating and importing of library in Dart. Here we are going to understand how we can create a single library by using multiple libraries in Dart. For example, here I have a two separate library and these two library I am importing here in a two separate file. But I want that I should import only one file here and other file automatically import here. For that, suppose I create one more file here. I say sub.dart. For subtract, I'm using it. Again, here I'm creating a subtract function. You can create class also. You can create function also, depend on you. So here, just to understand this, and here I say void also because I'm not returning any value. Then I say print and I say sub equal to dollar. I say n1 minus n. Remember that simple one. This is the third library here. Now I want to merge library first sum, second mul, third sub in a single file. So how I can do? Suppose I feel that sum is my main file, main library. So I want to merge subtract and mul library in sum, and I want to import here only sum, and all these should be import automatically. So I am just removing this, but you see there is an error. Again, I am using subtract also, and here I'm passing the value, and you will see that it is also error. But I go to sum. Here I say that in this file I have two part of this. So I say part, in double quote I explain that first part is multiply dot, then I say part, second is sub, like this. Remember, so I add here two file by using part keyword, that this mul dot, this sub dot, also the part of this library sum. Now it's showing an error that you have to include part of directive also. So here I come, I say part of, this is a part of sum dot. Remember, this is also the part of sum dot, means this mul is not a separate library, it's a part of sum dot. Similarly, I do here also. I say this sub is a part of sum dot. Remember, so this sum dot file, this sub dot file is also part of sum dot. So sum dot is the main file here, and these two are the part of this. So this sum dot is a single library that is a combination of multiple libraries sub and mul. Remember that. So here in main I am importing only sum dot. I am not importing sub and mul, but automatically you see that a error is gone, and I have mul also, I have a sum also here without importing these file, because these are the part of sum dot and I have imported sum, and that's why I'm using this. So if I run it again, you will see that we have the same execution here. Now suppose I want to use only mul, can I use it? I say import, I say mul dot. For example, you see that this is cannot have a part of directive. Try the library part, means you cannot use this file separately now, because it's a part of sum dot. So only sum can be import, these cannot be import here directly. Remember that, because this is not a separate file, it's a part of sum dot, so you cannot import this. Remember here. So this is the concept of creating a single library with the help of multiple libraries in Dart. In next video, I will explain how to create a big library by merging a multiple library, not creating a single library. Like here, I am not able to import mul dot or sum dot because these are the part of sum dot. But in the next concept, I will create a separate file that would be the top library, the main library, but still if I want to import only mul, sum or sub, I can also import, or I can import all the library together with the help of the main library, means merging of multiple library in a single library, that we are going to understand in next video also. So I think it's an interesting concept, and you understand this clearly, how to work with library in Dart programming language. If you like this video, do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.